Good morning, everybody. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, shall we? So yesterday we were saying that we're looking for a potential drop, just based around a few things, and the drop I was saying is likely to bring us into the $38,000 zone. We've just avoided that at this very moment. I mean, I woke up this morning, I was like, okay, there's your drop, there's the drop, but I still think it should run a little deeper than that. It doesn't have to at all, but I think it should. So if we think about the center of the Bollinger Band here on the 12 hourly, that's mid 38,000s. That'll be an okay area. We can see that we're turning down now on the MACD, and bearish divergence, and the money flow index is all dropping off only slightly. So when people, I suppose people just panic, don't they, when they hear you say something's going down, especially with the market that's looked like this for since May. So I got comments on my YouTube going, but we're in a bull market, it can't come down. All right, just relax. All right, look, things go up and down all the bloody time. It doesn't matter if we're in a bull market, a bear market. You just don't go up forever. So I wasn't saying that it's the end of the world, or that you're gonna lose all your money. I wasn't saying anything like that. I was just saying that, look, we've got bearish divergence, we've got MACD crossing, we've got money flow index leaving. What else was there that we saw? I can't remember now. It's just so early. I've been up with the kids since 5. But anyway, so yeah, it's all those people who panic on the channel, who watch these things and pull their hair out because I said that the price is going to go down a little bit. It's not the end of the world, alright? So yeah, it's going down. It's already gone down. I still think it could go down another 1,000. But where do we start to worry, if there is a place to worry at all? The area to worry is more or less that 38,600, and it's not even a massive worry. But if it were to break down from there, we go down below the 10 exponential and the 200 exponential. So that's the really small term time frame, moving average of significance, and the larger term time frame of significance. Both should hold the line there. To be honest with you, I can't imagine it would take a fair bit of downwards pressure to break down below there. You might get a wick below there, so don't quote me on that, but to close a candle body below there, I'd be very surprised. But if we were to do that, then yeah, we would be looking to push back down to the towards the bottom side of this to the bottom side of this range, maybe even all the way down to 35,200 or so, center of the Bollinger Band on that zone. Anyway, I'm going to leave it with you there. There's not much to talk about on this one. I think Monday's going to be a bit of a slow and a steady way, while it resets itself. Like I say, I think it just needs to come down a little bit, cool off, and then carry on with this reaccumulation at the higher levels. It's all really good. I am not concerned in any way. As far as altcoins are concerned, though, I have to say that we are looking to form a bounce on the Bitcoin dominance chart on the 10 exponential, and on the daily we are coming to the center of this Bollinger Band also. And considering that normally I wouldn't normally play the Bollinger Band strategy on this Bitcoin dominance chart, we were quite easily rejected on the center of the Bollinger Band on the 20 moving average on the weekly, right? So because of that, I have to entertain the idea that Bollinger Bands are playing a decent role now for this chart in itself. So what this means anyway in English is that I think that altcoins are probably going to run out of steam a little bit now if we do form a bounce around here. If we don't, if we continue to go down, then excellent. Everyone's a winner. I'm just being extra cautious, and even though I am eyeing up lots of altcoins, I am really potentially only looking to invest into those altcoins when we reach a significant level of resistance on this Bitcoin dominance chart, and at the moment we're not. So I'm okay to see things go up, in some cases 200 or 300% from the low. I'm okay to watch that happen. Because it's about risk management, risk to reward. And I know what happens with some people. They think that that they've just not been able to do their normal trick of time traveling, and they go, I should have bought back then at the absolute low, now it's going up, I must buy on the way up. Which is okay if you've got buying into an established trend, but if you're simply FOMOing, remember, no one can buy the absolute low, no one can sell the absolute top. And all you can do is be grateful for a portion in the middle. But if you're buying into rocketing green candles, like BetPro for instance, then you're probably going to get hurt at some point. And I would say that this is one of the ones that I've been looking at. I'll do videos on this later. This is one of the ones I've been looking at about, it's a shame actually that I didn't buy the absolute low, but then again, that's me thinking I can time travel and look at those wicks and go, I was looking at this chart when that happened and I didn't buy. I'll tell you why I didn't buy, because it was dangerous. And if I did buy, then I could have risked another 60 to 70 or 80% loss if it had broken down from there. So it's not broken down from there, which is good. Is it going to continue to go up over time? Probably. Where's the entry point? Not here. Anyway, I'll make a video on these sort of things later. I'm going to drink my coffee and carry on with the rest of my day. Hope you have a nice day, by the way, and take it easy.